When he gets on the stage, he's like a general. He takes control. He takes command. When you're directing this, I mean, every second is like an eternity. And I start to just shout, Michael, damn it, take your glasses off.
Take 5. Come on, Michael, do it. Come on, Michael.
But that was the deal that I had made with him, and I was not going to jump the cue.